Hi, this is the SONY Xperia XA2 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application because we should get the Ampere app from the Play Store, and in the search we'll enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, click close and tap to OK in the left down corner. So now we could see here information about the battery health, and in my case the battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version, model, power device level and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.